Welcome back to the channel DIYers. Today, we're diving into the best plumbing tools on Amazon that are perfect for your home renovation projects. From advanced gadgets to essential tools, you'll discover plumbing gear you never knew you needed. Let's get started. Number 1. The iCrimp F1807PX Crimper Copper Pipe Crimping Toolkit is an absolute game changer for anyone tackling plumbing jobs. Whether a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this toolkit has everything you need to work with 3/8, 1/2, 3/4, and 1-inch PX tubing, all with quick change jaws that make switching sizes super easy. The kit has a PX tubing cutter and a go and no-go gauge, so you'll always know your crimp connections are spot on. And here's the best part, the crimp ring removal tool. It lets you remove copper crimp rings without damaging the fittings, which means you can reuse them, saving you both time and money. Compatible with all brands of PX copper crimp rings like Sioux Chief, Watts, and Nibco, and fitting brass and poly, PPSU crimp styles, this kit handles it all. It even comes in a durable, compact case, keeping everything organized and portable. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and efficient tool for your PX plumbing projects, the iCrimp F1807 kit is a must-have. It'll make your job faster, smoother, and way more enjoyable. Number 2. The Plumbing Tools Angle Stop Wrench Kit is the ultimate tool for professional plumbers and DIYers alike. Built with high-quality, durable materials, this wrench is designed to last, reducing wear and cutting down on maintenance costs. It's perfect for anyone looking to remove or install compression rings with ease, thanks to its automatic adapting feature that fits multiple nut sizes. Say goodbye to struggling with different tools. This wrench makes replacing compression angle stops on copper pipes, toilet angle stops, and other fittings a breeze. With its superior leverage, you can quickly install or remove valves, cutting down your work time and making those tricky jobs feel much simpler. The lacquer finish adds an extra layer of protection, boosting corrosion resistance and extending the wrench's lifespan. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip, giving you full control during use. What really sets the Angle Stop Wrench Kit apart is its ability to work in tight, confined spaces. It's far more efficient than traditional wrenches, allowing you to tackle those awkward plumbing jobs with ease. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use tool, this kit is the perfect solution for your next project. Number 3. The 6 pieces copper tube pipe cleaner set is a must-have for anyone working with copper tubes and pipes. Designed to fit standard sizes, 1 foot, 3/4, and 1/2 inch diameter, it's perfect for prepping pipes for soldering and other tasks. Just a heads up, fittings or couplings of the same size may not fit due to a slightly larger inner diameter, so make sure to double-check before purchasing. What makes this set truly stand out is its integrated hex shank, allowing you to use it with a power drill to drastically speed up your workflow. Whether you're cleaning pipes for a plumbing job, working on automotive repairs, or tackling fabrication projects, these brushes will save you time and effort. With stainless steel bristles designed for superior cleaning power and a durable stainless steel body for long-lasting performance, these brushes will handle tough jobs with ease. The high-quality build ensures optimal rigidity and cleaning efficiency, making repetitive tasks smoother and faster. Whether you're a professional or a DIYer, this versatile pipe cleaning set is the perfect tool for prepping pipes, cleaning automotive parts, or even for machining. Get your projects done faster and with professional-level results. Number 4. The Duratec 3-in-1 Plumber Wrench and 4-way Silicone Key Set is a must-have for any toolbox. This versatile 2-pack set combines practicality and durability, made from high-quality steel with a matte finish for enhanced corrosion resistance, ensuring it stands the test of time. The 3-in-1 Plumber Wrench offers 3 tools in one: a 15/16-inch open-end wrench, a 9/16-inch open-end wrench, and a 12-point box wrench. The 2 wrenches fit together seamlessly, reducing clutter and giving you more options with fewer tools to carry. It's perfect for straight stops, appliance legs, shower heads, faucet nuts, and toilet bolts. The 4-way Silicone key is your go-to tool for accessing spigots, water valves, and more. With 4 sizes, 1/4, 9/32, 5/16, and 11/32 inch, you'll be ready for any situation, whether it's controlling water usage or operating spigots and electric appliances. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your bag or pocket, always ready for emergencies. This set is a versatile, compact solution that's perfect for professionals and DIYers alike. Whether you're fixing plumbing, controlling water flow, or handling various home repairs, this set has you covered.
Number 5. The Enhan Universal Faucet Aerator Removal Tool is a game changer for anyone dealing with low water flow or clogged aerators. This 10-in-1 aerator wrench is designed to tackle multiple sizes, including M22, M24, M28, M18, M16, and cache aerators in sizes TF, TJ, TT, JR, and STD. It's your all-in-one solution for removing or installing aerators without the hassle of hiring a plumber. What sets this tool apart is its easy-to-use design. The comfortable grip and non-abrasive method make it simple to replace or clean clogged aerators, restoring smooth water flow in just minutes. No more struggling with low water pressure. Crafted from high-quality metal with a chrome-plated finish, this tool is built to last. It won't bend or deform, ensuring reliable performance over time. Its compact design means it's as handy as 10 regular wrenches, easily fitting in your toolbox, bag, or even around the house for quick fixes. For the best results, it's recommended to replace your faucet aerator every 3 months. This not only improves water quality and flow, but also helps conserve water and promotes a healthier household. Number 6. The Powerbolt Back Saver platform is the ultimate solution for undersink and cabinet work, designed to keep you comfortable while tackling those hard-to-reach jobs. With an overall length of 38.2 inches and adjustable legs that adapt to the height of your cabinet base, this foldable platform makes awkward positions a thing of the past. Need to move it around? No problem. It folds and locks closed for easy transportation and storage, making it as portable as it is practical. The removable headrest doubles as a knee pad, perfect for general house or shop work. It's equipped with rubber feet to prevent damage and ensure a snug fit back onto the platform. This knee-saving pad measures 18.85 by 11.26 by 1.18 inches, giving you plenty of cushion while you work. With an adjustable height ranging from 7.5 to 10 inches, the platform offers versatile support, allowing you to work comfortably at different angles. The soft vinyl surface covers a foam base on a sturdy wood platform, ensuring durability and comfort. Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, the Powerbolt Back Saver is a must-have tool for reducing strain and improving your work efficiency. Number 7. The DrainX Hydro Pressure Drain Cleaning Bladder Pro is your ultimate solution for tackling stubborn clogs in bathroom sinks, showers, bathtubs, and more. Designed to fit 1.5-inch to 3-inch drain pipes, this heavy-duty tool uses the power of pressurized water to clear out blockages that chemicals, drain snakes, and plungers can't handle. Using it is a breeze. Simply connect a standard garden hose to one end, insert the bladder into the clogged drain, and let the water do the work. Whether it's tough clogs caused by hairballs, grease, or compacted toilet paper, this tool delivers efficient results every time. The DrainX Hydro Bladder is a chemical-free alternative, meaning no harsh residue left in your pipes. It's available in multiple sizes to suit various pipe diameters, and it works best with cold water. With this tool, you can say goodbye to expensive plumbers and harsh chemicals. It's easy, effective, and eco-friendly, perfect for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast. Number 8. The Professional Pipe Deburring Tool is your go-to solution for achieving flawless, smooth chamfers on plastic pipes every time. Designed with precision in mind, this tool is perfect for anyone looking to elevate the quality of their plumbing work. Whether you're working with PVC, CPVC, ABS, or PP pipes, this deburring tool handles 6 different pipe sizes ranging from 1/4 to 4-inch, offering unmatched versatility for all kinds of projects. Compact and easy to carry, it fits effortlessly into your toolbox, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go jobs. Its unique design creates a perfect 15-degree chamfer, ensuring smooth pipe edges for leak-free connections and enhanced fluid or gas flow, eliminating any potential obstructions or inefficiencies. Crafted from premium aluminum die-cast materials, this tool is built to last, with sharpenable blades to maintain peak performance over time. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast, this tool will become an essential part of your toolkit, offering reliable results with every use. Effortless, durable, and highly efficient, it's the deburring tool you can count on for precision and quality. Number 9. The Rigid RP251 Press Tool is the most innovative and advanced compact press tool available today. Its standout feature is the 360-degree endless head swivel, allowing you to easily access tight and awkward spaces without hassle. Whether you're working in cramped corners or hard-to-reach overhead areas, this tool adapts to your needs effortlessly. Designed with the user in mind, the slim grip handle and forward position trigger offer superior ergonomics, making it ideal for one-handed use, especially during overhead jobs. The tool's brushless motor is engineered for durability, delivering over 60,000 press cycles and requiring no scheduled maintenance, a game changer for efficiency and longevity. Whether you're a professional in the field or tackling DIY projects, the Rigid RP251 ensures precision, ease of use, and reliability, all in one compact package. It's the press tool that combines cutting-edge technology with user-focused design, making it the ultimate solution for any pressing job. Number 10. The X-Fasten self-fusing silicone tape is your go-to solution for quick, reliable repairs across various applications, from plumbing and automotive to electrical and marine uses. This tape is designed to withstand extreme temperatures up to 260 degrees Celsius, 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for emergency fixes under harsh conditions. With a 900 psi tensile strength, it provides superior water and airtight sealing for high-pressure pipe leaks, ensuring durability and effectiveness. Its corrosion resistance and high tolerance to heat, harsh solvents, and chemicals make it an excellent choice for long-term use. Plus, it meets UL 510 standards and ISO 9001 for industrial-grade sealing. The flexible and stretchable design allows it to conform to small pipe diameters, tight corners, and even cold environments as low as -50 degrees Celsius, -60 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for various situations. Additionally, it can insulate up to 600 volts per mil and dissipates heat efficiently, offering high resistance to melting, weathering, and tearing. Whether you need it for quick plumbing repairs, electrical insulation, or general fixes, the X-Fasten silicone tape delivers reliable performance and peace of mind. Number 11. The ODI 31177 Plumber's Putty, 9 ounces, is a must-have for creating a waterproof seal between rigid surfaces, ensuring leak-proof performance in plumbing tasks. Its non-staining formula makes it safe to use on a wide range of surfaces, including granite, marble, quartz, corian, plastic, or any natural and porous materials, offering versatility for various projects. This putty remains flexible over time, allowing it to mold easily and maintain a tight seal without cracking or shrinking, even in demanding conditions. Plus, it cleans up effortlessly with just soap and water, making it convenient to work with. Perfect for ensuring long-lasting, reliable seals, the ODI Plumber's Putty is a dependable choice for any plumber or DIYer. Number 12. Introducing the Drain Snake 4.0, 25 feet, with auto feed, the perfect tool for DIYers to tackle stubborn clogs. This plumbing snake features an automatic feed system, meaning no manual operation is needed. By simply rotating the drum, the spiral smoothly navigates pipe bends, making it quick and easy to remove blockages. No need for plumbing skills. With video instructions provided alongside the product, anyone can use this tool with confidence. Just follow along, and you'll have your pipes cleared in no time. The 25-foot reach makes it ideal for clearing deep, hard-to-reach clogs, and it gets the job done in under 8 minutes. Say goodbye to expensive plumber bills and fix your drains on your own. Not only is it effective, but it's also an eco-friendly solution. Unlike chemical drain cleaners that harm the environment, the Drain Snake 4.0 uses pure mechanical force to unblock your sink, bathtub, or shower drains, keeping your pipes clean and safe. Upgrade your DIY toolkit with the Drain Snake 4.0 today. Number 13. Introducing the MicroPro Dual Action Auto Size Adjusting Wrench, a game changer for every DIYer and professional alike. This self-adjusting quick wrench is designed to simplify your work and save you time. With auto-size adjusting jaws, it can replace an entire set of wrenches. The larger jaw adjusts to sizes between 9/16 inch and 1 1/4 inch, 14 to 32 millimeters, while the smaller jaw fits 5/16 inch to 1 1/16 inch, 8 to 17 millimeters, covering all your metric and standard needs. One-hand operation makes it super convenient. Just open the jaws and lock onto bolts with ease. Thanks to its self-adjusting feature, you can rotate and reposition the wrench without needing to remove it constantly, making it ideal for a wide range of applications from bolt extraction to tightening fittings in tight spaces. The spring-loaded tension and serrated edges provide a strong grip on various fastener types, including hexagonal, spline, star, and square head nuts and bolts, even damaged ones. Built from drop-forged CRV steel with a Germany-made spring, this durable wrench delivers a perfect ratcheting effect every time. Say goodbye to cluttered toolboxes and let the MicroPro Auto-Size Rapid Wrench take your projects to the next level. Number 14. Introducing the Fluidmaster 400 aerator KP10 Performax Universal High Performance All-in-One Repair Kit, your complete solution for restoring premium toilet performance. This kit replaces inefficient fill valves, leaky flappers, and broken handles, making your toilet run like new. Designed with a universal fit, the Performax fill valve adjusts from 10 to 15 inches, perfect for high-efficiency toilets with 1.28 to 1.6 gallons per flush. Its 2 times faster refill rate saves water while improving overall flush performance. The Performax 507 AK high-performance flapper is engineered for maximum efficiency, eliminating issues like ghost flushing and ensuring optimal water usage. It's adjustable and helps prevent deteriorating or damaged flush valves, ensuring a smooth flush every time. Best of all, installation is a breeze. You can have it installed in 10 minutes or less, getting your toilet back to optimal performance in no time. This kit allows you to easily control fill and flush volumes, making it an ideal upgrade for any toilet. With the Fluidmaster Performax All-in-One Repair Kit, you'll save water, time, and money while keeping your toilet running smoothly. Number 15. Introducing the WorkPro PX Cutter, your go-to tool for precise and effortless cutting. With a cutting capacity of 1/8 to 1 5/8, this hose cutter is perfect for a variety of applications, including PX, PPR, PE, PP, and rubber hoses. Whether you're tackling home repairs, plumbing projects, or automotive tasks, this cutter has you covered. What sets the WorkPro PX Cutter apart are its 30 degrees and 45 degrees cutting designs. This feature allows you to make precise cuts tailored to your needs. The cutter can easily slice through round tubes while standing flat, and it can also handle square or rectangular tubes when the stand is folded, ensuring flexibility in your projects. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy steel, this cutter boasts exceptional hardness, toughness, and strength. The 7CR17 MOV blade is designed to resist rust, bending, and breaking, allowing you to achieve even and accurate cuts every time without deviation. Thanks to its spring-loaded design, you can enjoy quick, one-handed operation that saves you time and effort. The lightweight aluminum body reduces fatigue during prolonged use, making it an efficient and labor-saving tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This versatile tubing cutter is ideal for cutting pipes and tubes of various materials, making it perfect for both homeowners and plumbers. Whether you're working on household maintenance, plumbing installations, or automotive repairs, the WorkPro PX Cutter is an essential addition to your toolkit. Upgrade your cutting experience with the WorkPro PX Cutter, where precision meets convenience.